Watch how a Swiss-trained watchmaker from WatchLab service a Richard Mille RM. Done with the service. The Richard Mille 010 are all set. If you are looking for a reliable watch service center to service, polish, and authenticate your watch, visit us at our outlet at Far East Plaza, Singapore. Want to learn more about watches? Follow us on our social media and subscribe our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comment section down below what brand you'd like to see us cover next.